In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft Teams to Outlook, ensuring that your communication and scheduling are more streamlined and efficient. Let's dive right in and get started with a few simple steps. To begin, open your Outlook application on your computer. Once you're in Outlook, take a glance at the top left corner of your screen, where you'll notice the menu bar. From here, you'll want to find and click on the File option. This section is essentially the hub for all your Outlook settings and preferences, so it's where we need to go to set up the Teams integration. Once you click File, a drop-down menu will appear on the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you see Options and give that a click. Now a new window labeled Outlook Options should open up. This window is packed with various settings, but the one we're interested in is the Add-ins section, located on the left sidebar of this window. Selecting Add-ins takes you to a page that shows the list of available add-ons you can incorporate within Outlook. These add-ons are incredibly useful for expanding the functionality of your Outlook experience. As you look towards the bottom of this page, you'll see a section labeled Manage. Make sure that COM Add-ins is selected from the drop-down menu next to it. Once it's selected, click the adjacent Go button. This will open another small window showcasing the available COM add-ins on your system. Now here's where the integration magic happens. You're looking for a specific option listed here called Microsoft Teams Meeting Add-in for Microsoft Office. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Simply scroll through the list until you find it. Once you do locate it, make sure to check the box next to it. This act of checking the box tells Outlook that this is an add-in you want to activate and use. With that checked, go ahead and click OK to confirm your choice and exit out of the add-in options. However, these changes won't take effect immediately. What you need to do next is close Outlook completely. It's important to ensure that the application is fully closed and not just minimized or running in the background. After a few seconds, reopen Outlook. And there you have it. The Microsoft Teams add-in should now be available in your calendar view. With this add-in active, scheduling and joining Teams meetings from within Outlook becomes an intuitive and integrated experience. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or if there are other tutorials you would like to see, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy scheduling!